नित्यानंद स्पोर्ट्स क्लब आणि कृष्णा कन्स्ट्रक्शन संडे चॅम्प्स पहिले जिनो प्रुडंट T20 कपाच्या फायनलीत पावले। पहिले सेमीफायनलीत नित्यानंद स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान घुमटेश्वर मडगावाक 7 विकेटींनी मारले। दुसरे सेमीत संडे चॅम्प्सान धेंपो ज्युनियराक 4 विकेटींनी हारयले। फायनल आयतारा 17 डिसेंबराक परवरे GCA ग्राउंडार दनपारा 1:30 सुरू जातली।
Gets hold of this one but finds the fielder. Pushpa Desai got the safest pair of hand and he doesn't drop many. That's the breakdown for Gumteshwar Margaon losing their first wicket. 14 for 1 and Achit Sigwan the very first delivery. Flashy shot, little bit of bat on that one. This time the ball will do the running, not the best man. This is the much needed boundary coming up here for Gumteshwar Sports Club of Pajifon Margaon. Through the batting trying. What time the ball, but still got just lucky. Could be a couple of runs here, or maybe the ball just will run down to the fence. Good looking ball coming up here for Gumteshwar Sports Club from West Town. Just bring his arms and playing. Oh, this time finds the field. The ball playing here is always dangerous. Didn't quite get hold of that one. Oh, beautiful. Just a stand and delivered from Achit Sigwan. Look at that scoop, beauty, sheer timing and the placement. Elegant from Sumiran Amurgan. That's the reason why I call him. Oh, this time played straight to the fielder. Oh, slightly in the leg side and the ball is touching nothing. Good looking shot once again. Once again cautioning win. This is a fielder. This time he takes a brilliant catch. What a shot of a length slice. It beats the shot fielder. The ball is going rocketing away. And that will get the boundary for sure. Oh, good looking shot, just sheer timing, majestic, magnificent, massive. Oh, he picked up aerial but finds the fielder. That is a departure of Ishan Gadekar. Wanted to play but miscued it.
धारगळे 50,000 सिटिंग कॅपॅसिटीचे इंटरनॅशनल क्रिकेट स्टेडियम जातले म्हणून खेळा मंत्री बाबू आसगांवकार उलयला। हे स्टेडियम गोवा क्रिकेट संघटना बांधतली।
गोवा स्टेट जे हा स्पोर्ट्सा बद्दल इतले लक्ष घालता की जे स्वप्न असलेले इंटरनॅशनल लेवलाचे वा क्रिकेट स्टेडियम जावचो म्हणून तो आज जाता वा स्वप्न हे सरकार पुरी करता। हेजे बद्दल दुबावना बऱ्यातलो बरो स्टेडियम आमकां मेळटलो। अख्ख्या वर्ल्डाचे लोक आमचे दारगळे स्टेडियमाचे पावतले, गोंयचो लोक दारगळे स्टेडियमाचे पावतले आणि दारगळ हे नंबर 1 जातले हेजे बद्दल दुबाव आणि गोंय नंबर 1 जातले हेजे बद्दल। आणि ह्या स्टेडियम जो जातलो कमीत कमी हेजी कॅपॅसिटी 50,000 प्रेक्षकांची आसतली। तशेंच हो क्रिकेट स्टेडियम GSA हो मुखार सरून बांदता। GCA क्रिकेट आमचो गोवा क्रिकेट असोसिएशन वो क्रिकेट बांदून आमी तेंच्या कडल्यान घेतले। लँड आमी लिजाचे दितले।
स्पीकर सर
लँड व स्पीकर सर 2 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर जागा हो आमी क्रिकेट स्टेडियमाक दिवपाचो आमी ठरयलेले आहा आणि ऑलरेडी आमच्या चीफ मिनिस्टरान एक परवानगी दिल्या। कॅबिनेट आमी ऑलरेडी आता ह्या कॅबिनेटान आमी तो ठराव घेवपाचो आसा आणि ताका हँड ओव्हर करपाचो।
वेदांता आणि गोवा फुटबॉल संघटनेची वेदांता वुमन्स फुटबॉल लीग निमाण्या पावड्यार पावल्या। आयतारा सांजे 6:30 वरांचेर धुळेर ग्राउंडार पेंजिम डॉल्फिन्स आड सांताक्रूज कावेलोसीम सौज फायनल जातली। पूण ते पयलीं तिसरे सुवाते खातीर सांजे 3:30 सावन नवे संकल्पनेंतल्यान मिनी फुटबॉल सर्त दवरल्या। चलयां बायलांनी वुमन्स फुटबॉलरांक नेट दिवंक येवची म्हूण JFAन उलो मारला।
सर्त निमाणे स्टेजीर पावल्या। आयतारा सांजे 6:30 वरांचेर फायनल. ते पयलीं 3:30 तिसरे सुवाते खातीर मिनी फुटबॉल सर्त जातली.
There will be a small mini competition for the third place. The 4 non-finalist teams will vie with one another. We have already done the draw. So the first match will start at 3:30. It's a 15-minute duration each half with a 5 minutes break. And Konkani Warriors will take on Flaming Orange for the first match at 3:30. Second match between Goa Saints and Albert Princess will start at 4:15 sharp, and the winners of either of the matches will play the final for the third place at exactly 5:15. At 6 p.m. the closing ceremony will start. There's a lot of music and entertainment, including performance to the beat of the anthem, and thereafter at 6:30 p.m. sharp will be the finals. For the final we want lot many, particularly girls and women, to come for the finals. It's a real tribute to the girl power, I can say, if more and more women come.
फायनल बरी जातली म्हूण दोनूय टिमींक दिसता.
We are confident that we are going to get this trophy at Panjim. Okay, and we got a bunch of talented players with experience. We'll give you a good fight for the finals.
Both the teams are very tough, and we are trying our best to give them a fight, because they all are experienced players, and even we are experienced and we have young talent, but it doesn't matter, young and new generation and whatever the seniors and juniors, it's a game. We are going to give them a tough fight.
हे सर्तीच्या माध्यमांतल्यान GFAक वेगवेगळ्या पिरायेची खंय बरी वुमन्स फुटबॉलर्स मेळ्ळ्यात. वुमन्स फुटबॉलरां खातीर GFAन बरो प्लान तयार केला. फुडल्या वर्सा वुमन्स लिगांत 8 टिमी आसतल्यो.
We will have 8 teams in the next edition of this league. How the 2 teams will be taken will be decided by the GFA. We don't want that this momentum should die down. We want that there should be sufficient matches that should be made available to the girls to keep the form, and we will encourage, we have decided to encourage our member clubs. You see, among the boys there are a lot of inter-village competitions that are going on across the state, right from the northernmost part to the southernmost part. We will encourage clubs to organize on similar lines competitions for the girls. One positive that has come out of this is I expect that the high secondaries and colleges will encourage more girls to take part in the sport of football.
प्रुडंटा खातीर शिरीष कुंकळेकर.
बरो स्विमर आसलो म्हूण त्या मनशा कडेन लायफ सेव्हिंग स्कील आसताच अशें ना. ते खातीर लायफ सेव्हिंग स्किलाचो प्रसार करपाचे हेतान राष्ट्रीय लायफ सेव्हिंग सोसायटीन कांपाला राष्ट्रीय पावड्यावेली लायफ सेव्हिंग स्पोर्ट्स सर्त घेतली. सर्तींत 11 राज्यांतले सर्तक वांटेकार जाल्ले.
How is the life-saving sports event going on in Goa? What sort of participation have you got at the national level and at the local level?
Well, Neeraj, this is the second time we are here, and we are really happy with the participation. Apparently, Goa came in quite late, but then yesterday we had the day 1 of pool events, and they were very happy because they won medals. As you understand, life-saving is a mixture of swimming skills and life-saving skills. So, what happens is we, as a motive and as a goal of the society, we are creating lifesavers. So, having life-saving sports in all parts of the country is what we are on the mission. And all these lifesavers will come from across the country. We have about 11 states participating this year, and about 300 participants had given confirmation. This is the pool events, and from here we are moving to Malvan for the beach and ocean events. So the test of the lifesavers are done in the pool and as well as in the beach and ocean.
Right.
So that's happening tomorrow and day after, actually.
Any local participants were here?
Yes, we had a good response from this pool itself, and the coach was very good enough to send the participation actually, and they had filled in the form a day prior to the registration, and we got about 20.
Nice. Yeah. So good start for Goa.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
Overall, now the challengers who have come here, what is next for them? Do they get to participate at the international level?
Oh yes, let me also tell you that this is not just an Indian event. This life-saving sport started back in 2003 wherein this was basically created for lifeguards to keep them pepped up and to have some recognition for them. So what happened is it started evolving as a sport, and it has come into the World Championships now. So there are two events which happens on internationally. One is the World Championship, and that happens every 2 years, and then there is a Commonwealth Life Saving Festival. These are two very big international platforms wherein we have lifesavers from all over the world coming and participating, and it's a very big platform to display the skills and the stalwarts of life saving.
Right.
इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.